lesson 27. I just played on 80 beats per minute, and the aim of this lesson is to teach your left hand to play broken chords while your right hand is playing the melody of a song. Now, another aim of this lesson is to speed up the right hand while your left hand stays the same. So it's what people call hand independence. A situation whereby the right hand is increasing in speed while the left hand is playing the same tempo. So that's hand independence, and that's part of what this lesson teaches. At the end of the day, the next 4 or 5 lessons will help you be able to improvise with broken chord on your left hand, not just block chords. So that's the aim. So now, if you can rewind back and watch what I did, I started with simple 4 beats notes on my right hand. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I got to 2 beats. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And I got to the next one had 1 beat. So 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Meanwhile, the last one is twice faster than that, which is 1 and 1 and 1. So you say N instead of you say N to count the second part. So it's 1 and 1 and here's a 1 and 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 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So that's how they count it. So forget about the names I call them, but just if you can speed up your right hand while your left hand stays relatively the same speed with your broken chord. That's the aim of this lesson. The next lesson we are going to speed down, or we are going to slow down instead. Yeah, see you in lesson 28.